So what we're going to talk about is how to register your VCarve Pro software. This software that we're demonstrating on today is registered, but I'm going to explain and walk you through on how to register yours. So what you'll want to do is open up your VCarve Pro software. When you do so, you're going to have this page show up that's saying you need to register now or remind me later. When you go to do this, you want to make sure this is not on the CNC controller CPU. You want to make sure this is a separate CPU that you can have connected to the internet to do so. So what you'll want to do is click on the register now, and what that will do is take you to their website. You will create an account username with them, and they will process it. It usually takes a day because they are in the UK. And then what they will do is email you back a permanent license code. So when you receive the permanent license code and username from Vectric, what you'll want to do is when you go into VCarve Pro, you'll go up to Help. You'll go into Enter License Code. It's going to ask you if you want to do it online or manual. It's going to do manual. Hit Next. In this window, it's real easy to do so. If you have the email by hand, what you'll want to do is copy the username in the email and then just paste it right here. And it has to be exactly the same, so it's best to copy and paste it. And then when you want to paste the code, it's going to do the same thing. You're going to copy the code and paste the code right here. And then you'll hit Next, and then your VCarve will be licensed. And what you'll want to do is perform that same operation for all your computers that have the VCarve Pro on it. And that way it'll never ask you again to register it. You also only have a limited time to register it before the license will not work again. The license you buy from us is a temporary license, so it's very important to register your VCarve Pro. And that's how you do it. Thank you.